Hello guys, wanna instantly translate your screen's device with one single tap? Here's an easy way how to do it. So firstly guys, search for the app Play Store and simply click on it. Here in the search tab, open it and enter tap to translate screen. Click search and let's install the first one. Click install and wait until the app is downloaded. So when the app is installed, tap open, wait until everything loads, click consent, dismiss this plan, click allow, and then tap on this red button. Tap accept and here click on this exact toggle. And go back, click accept, and then tap start now. And then let's select the language. So on the left will be displayed the language from which the text will be translated. And on the right, the language will be displayed to which it will be translated. So I will select, for example, Spanish. You can select any other, and here you can select any other too. So anyways, let's actually test it. And you will see a floating icon on your screen. You can change the position of it, but anyways, just simply click on it, and this will automatically translate all of the text on your screen. And then click on this icon to disable the translation. So you can actually use it on different apps, websites, and now you know how to translate the text on your screen instantly with one single tap. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.